Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. We are back actually at a place I love to come to, which is the junkyard. Have a couple of my cars I'm working on, looking for some small parts. Want to see what they have here. Also like to have a little bit of fun, just browsing around, seeing what else they have, if there's anything else that may be of value for maybe upcoming projects. So let's go ahead and head on in and see what they got. This GM LC1 2.8 liter 12 valve 6 cylinder put out approximately 102 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque. Wow, this is one here that has seen a little bit of action. Whole interior is completely burned out. As you can see, the seats are just burned right down to the understructure, just totally wiped out. A lot of debris and suspension crap all over the place. No luck of any Jeep Wranglers, unfortunately, but we will keep looking. Here's a Maryland State Police car actually in here. You don't really see these too often. Inside's pretty much trashed. I guess the police took whatever they had to out of it, and then other people came and gutted out the rest, but it's all torn apart in here. Got the handle there for the spotlight sitting on the seat. That's about it. Pretty interesting. Some police officer prayer cards. That's pretty cool. Actually, that's pretty funny. A 7-Eleven cup in the back of a totaled police car. This Ford 4.6 liter 16 valve V8 puts out about 210 horsepower and 290 foot-pounds of torque. Here's another police car. This is Howard County Police, which is another county here in Maryland. I've never seen so many police cars brought in. They must have had a few that came in at once. See, right there is where the spotlight was coming through. Somebody ripped that out already. This one's not trashed as bad as the state police cars are. Maybe nobody has hit this one yet. Well, I found what I'm looking for. This is a Dodge Neon. I just need some parts from the inside, just some plastic clips for the sun visors. There they are. Let's see if the clips are in place. Bring that down. Yep. That's what I'm looking for right there. Mine are broken, so we're going to take those off. The other one on the other side's good too. Then from here, we'll check out some rims, and then we'll head over to the Jeep section, and that should call it a day here. Let's see here. That's all I need. Let's take the other one off the other side. All right, well, these look like the chrome lug nuts that I need for my Neon. Not in bad shape either, just need some cleaning up. That one's stuck on there. Okay, that one looks good too. I only need one, but I'll take both. And the threads seem pretty decent because with those studs in the shape that they're in, these are actually screwing off and on pretty easy. So we'll take them and give them a shot. Clean them up.
The Dodge 3.9 liter 12 valve V6 had 175 horsepower and 225 foot-pounds of torque.
Old Camaro. This is a 1981 Chevy Camaro. Definitely been gutted out. Nothing really left in here. You can see up there, it's a T-top, which is pretty cool. I remember them back in the day. Looks like a war zone. Okay, just wrapped up there inside the junkyard. Lucked out as far as got the lug nuts. I only need one for the Neon, but I got three, have some spares, and then I got the sun visor clip. So I needed two of those, so that'll be good. If you've been following my channel at all, I've been working on the Lamborghini Countach restoration project for the replica. got thrown behind a little bit with this COVID-19 mess, so I kind of lost about 6 weeks because that's being done out of state and I can't go there. But once that project's done, the next project is going to be this Neon that I have, this old Dodge Neon 2005. Want to restore that. I started doing a little bit if you've been watching any of my videos. Did the rotors, the brakes, upgraded the rotors. Also did the fuel injectors. Getting ready to put a Walbro high performance fuel pump in there. Right now it just has a cheap one that I put in a couple years ago just to get it moving. So once the Countach project is done, I want to work on this Neon as far as repainting it and restoring it. The interior's already been redone. Getting ready to kind of partially have a new sound system in it. Got to finish that up. Have a buddy of mine that'll help with that. And then pretty much just repaint it, restore the headlights, put in the sunroof motor. Sunroof motor had burned out, so I need to put a new one in that. So that'll be fun. So that'll be the next project. So I'm just kind of getting in that mindset right now and kind of picking up what I need that I might be in need of when I get into that project. Then once I'm done with that, then I'll probably move on to my Jeep Wrangler. Just some minor stuff, some upgrades, and just some touching up on that. And that'll be the next project after the Neon. So as far as this trip here to the junkyard, this pretty much comes to an end. I hope it was an enjoyable video for you. It's always a fun time to go if you can. You can get some good deals, see some cool stuff there. I mean, for me, I love it. I could spend all day in there. So anyway, this wraps it up. I appreciate all of your support. Send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate the support. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.